Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My work experience is I'm a sales lady in the Philippines. I work as a sales lady, as service crew in the restaurant, and
Okay, can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on that job, being a sales lady?
my duties and responsibilities in the when I'm in a sales lady, greeting the customers, assisting them what they need, and
Okay, and how long did you work with them? How many years?
I work maybe 10 years.
Okay,
It's so long.
and why you did not continue your contract?
Uh, because I want to go abroad.
Okay,
Work here.
okay, and how much salary are you looking for?
Uh, 1.5 and above.
Okay, what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning and babysitting.
Okay, what experience do you have in cleaning?
In cleaning, cleaning the toilet, the house.
Okay, okay. And what disinfectants are you using in cleaning the toilet bowl?
Dettol.
Okay. And in terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
I know when the baby is sick, when she's crying and she's hot and not feeling well.
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
I will give him or her medicine.
Do you consider yourself lucky?
Yeah,
Why?
because I have two kids and I have a husband too.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are um, playing with the babies and hanging in the mall.
Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years you want to work?
Maybe 2 years.
Do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
Yes,
Why?
because I am a hard work, and I'm good.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.